What's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on a full coverage skid plate on this new Husqvarna. Developed for enduro, baja, motocross, and off-road, making it suitable for all types of riding. Made from composite impact-absorbing plastic with silicone additives to reduce friction grab. The material and design allows for maximum frame flex. Model-specific form shaped to provide industry-leading frame and engine coverage. No plastic welds on wings that are prone to cracking to give more strength. Extremely lightweight compared to most other skid plates on the market. Linkage guard extensions is integrated and not bolt-on to provide a smooth, snag-free surface and includes a replaceable linkage wear pad attached to the side of the linkage guard. All hardware is 100% replaceable, tested and used by some of the top teams in off-road racing.